Hi! In front of me is Motorola Razr 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout on this Android. You need to begin by opening Play Store. After that, click on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Then you need to download this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now select while using the app and allow in all pop-ups. While using the app, allow, and swipe up from the button of your screen. Now click on Home button and go into Settings right away. In them, you need to scroll down just a bit and click on Apps section. Then scroll down again and tap on Default Apps. Finally, you can click on Home app and tap on iOS Launcher in order to apply it. Then click on OK, tap on Got it, and as you can see after that, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my Motorola. But you can always switch between your layouts by going into exactly the same settings and tapping on Moto App Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!